guys, it's your girl Fatima Maya. So in this video I'm giving you guys a full makeup tutorial. So I'm jumping in and starting off with my brows. I'm using the Morphe brow palette and this is the darkest brown shade. So I'm just filling in my eyebrows. And if you guys want a more in-depth eyebrow tutorial, then definitely let me know. Leave a comment down below and I will do that for you guys. But this is kind of just sped up and yeah. And next I'm going to be going in with my primer, starting on my face. I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Primer. This is the soft matte. After that, I'm using Juvias Place Concealer, the liquid concealer. This is in the shade 12. So for this video, I'm doing underlighting. And basically that is when you highlight and contour underneath your foundation. So that is what I'm doing. I'm applying my highlighting color first and I'm going to blend it out. Then I'm going to apply the contour color and then I'm going to blend that out. And then I'm going to apply my foundation. So it kind of just helps you apply less foundation. Like instead of doing a whole layer of foundation on your face first and then doing your highlighting and contouring so you have a lot of product on your face, doing this first, the highlighting contouring first as underlighting, then you use less product. So and I'm just clipping back my hair because it was getting a little messy. And this is the contour shade I'm going to be using. It's the Fenty Beauty Concealer. I believe this is in the shade 495. All my products will be in the description box and I will link them down below. So definitely check that. So when I blend out my concealers, I like to start off with tapping. I usually tap it out to blend it out, and then if I need to, I will do like a swiping motion or like a buffing motion, you know, but yeah. So this is the foundation I'm using, the Born This Way matte foundation, and this is in the shade Spiced Rum. So I put like not even a full pump on my hand and I'm using this and I'm applying it. You can apply it all over your contour and I think the contour still shows through, to be honest, but I would not apply it all over my under eye concealer because it will totally make it too dark. So I really just apply it wherever I did not apply any product and in between my highlight and contour shades to blend them together. And yeah, and you can really just see the face come together at this part because honestly before now it was looking really crazy. So now I'm using my cream blush and this is the Fenty Beauty blush in Summertime Wine. So I'm using a stippling brush to apply this and I'm going back over it with my foundation brush to blend it out. So now I'm setting the highlighted portions of my face. So I go in and I blend it out first and then I apply my powder. So I'm using the Fenty Beauty Loose Setting Powder in the shade Honey. And I'm using that to set my highlighted portions. Yeah, the rest of my makeup now is kind of the same as I usually do. You know, you just set your face and then you do your bronzer and your highlight if you want to do highlight. So I noticed that I did not like carve out and conceal my brows, and they were looking like way too funky for me. So I went back in and just cleaned them up a bit to make them more neat. So now I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty bronzer, and this is in the shade Mocha Mami. And I love this stuff, you guys. It just adds such a nice warmth to your face. And I just put this everywhere where I applied my contour concealer. So my cheekbones, around my nose, around my hairline, forehead, my jaw, all those places, like the perimeter of your face. And yeah, it just really warms up your face. Starting off with the eye makeup, I'm going to be using the Soft Glam palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and that's the burnt orange shade. I'm going to be taking that under my brow bone and just using that as my transition shade. Next, I'm going to be taking the shade Rustic, and that's going to go all on my crease. So in my final shade I'm going to be using is Cypress Umber, and this is going to be going all over my lid. So yeah, I just decided to do like a brown smoky eye makeup look, and this has really been my go-to eye makeup lately. It's just so easy to do. Actually, my final shade is going to be the glistening shade. That's going to be my highlighting shade. It's going on my tear dot, and I'm also going to put it in my brow bone. Now I'm using mascara, and I'm applying this to my lashes just to get them ready for the fake lashes. And I always use mascara before my fake lashes because it helps them blend better with the fake lashes. So now I am applying the glue onto the lashes, letting it dry a little bit, and applying them. If you guys want a more in-depth eyelash tutorial, like really zoomed in, closed up, and how I exactly do it, then leave that comment down below and I will for sure do that for you guys. So now the lashes are on, I'm going back in and applying those dark brown shadows onto my bottom lash line. And then I'm also going to use some mascara too on the bottom lash line. So now I'm highlighting my face. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sugar Highlighting Palette, and that's the Butterscotch shade. So I'm putting that on my cheeks, the highlighted points, and my nose, and that's about it. That's all I highlight. Now it's time for my favorite part. So I'm starting this lip combo off with the brown lip liner, and this one is by NYX. It is called Club Hopper. Next, I'm going to be using this Lip Stunna paint by Fenty Beauty. I actually forgot the name of it, what shade it is, but it's definitely going to be in the description box. But I'm just applying that and rubbing it together. And for the center, I'm just going in with my Butterscotch lipstick by Kylie Cosmetics and blending that together. And that's the completed look. Okay, that's it for this video, you guys. I want to thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up below if you enjoyed it, and definitely subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my next video. Bye! Talk to me.